Donald Trump has imposed a 10% baseline tariff on all US imports, with higher rates for countries accused of unfair trade practices. India faces a 26% duty, China a 54% levy, the EU 20%, Japan 24%, and Vietnam 45%. Cambodia and others face even steeper penalties. Let's dive into what Trump has said.
But we will charge them approximately half of what they are and have been charging us. So the tariffs will be not a full reciprocal. I could have done that, yes, but it would have been tough for a lot of countries who didn't want to do that. I'd like to see if you look at Switzerland, 61% to 31%, Indonesia, Malaysia, Cambodia. Oh, look at Cambodia, 97%. We're going to bring it down to 49%. They made a fortune with the United States of America. United Kingdom, 10%, and we'll go 10%. So we'll do the same thing. South Africa, 60%, 30%.
Stock markets around the world have been hit hard by the move, with European markets opening lower today. Japan's Nikkei 225 collapsed over 4%, and Hong Kong's Hang Seng dropped 2.4%, as US stock futures also suffered. The dollar fell 1.1% against a basket of foreign currencies. The pound and the yen strengthened along, while safe haven assets like gold, which also surged to record highs of $3,100 as investors sought safety in uncertain times. Analysts warn that these tariffs could lead to inflation, slow global growth, and even push multiple economies into recession. Despite Canada and Mexico being spared, other key trade partners brace for impact as the global economy faces significant disruption. Trump has called this move Liberation Day for the US, but critics have labeled it a nuclear bomb on global trade, warning of the long-term economic consequences. US Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent has cautioned foreign governments against retaliating, stating that any countermeasures would escalate tensions and lead to a prolonged destabilizing trade war. Bureau Report, NewsX World.